Got a little woodpecker. I know what that is. That's the same way squirrels go after each other. Let's make new babies. No, let's not. Yeah, let's do. No, let's not. Woodpecker's like, I don't care what you guys do. I'm just gonna eat. Another woodpecker. People always ask, how did I bond with the squirrels? It was really about keeping away from danger, I think. Well, I'm doing the same right now with Thing. And he's looking at me like, hey, is it okay out there? I'm looking out into the woods and letting him know, yeah, it looks okay, because there was an alert. This is how it started. People think it's about food. It's so much just about safety. Thing has a baby. This might even be the baby. No, I think, but I saw this one peeking out when the baby went on down. The baby was out, and then this guy was peeking. It's either a sibling or the mother. How's this for disguise? Wait, let me find it. There. Looks like just another rock. But she's keeping her eye on everything. Chipmunk alert. It's one of the babies. Chipmunk on Rover's bed.